transport or into the fighter arena. You would get into the aircraft that are on the takeoff roll now. These were the college aircraft. With more controls, more moving controls, and a controllable pitch prop, and a high torque engine, and heavy on the controls. And by the way, pilots who have flown Mustangs and Corsairs and P-40s and P-38s, many of them were trained as civilians on the aircraft that are on your jumbotron. This aircraft came out in 1938. That's why we're celebrating their 75th anniversary this year and this week. And that's why we're going to have some celebrations for the T-6 tomorrow.
Hey, there's an RCA.
Special tribute to the aircraft they fly and they fly. So before you got into the dogfight arena, before you got into the bomber or transport arena, you first had to become proficient. By the Army Air Corps, the T-6 Texan, because they were built in great numbers in Grand Prairie, Texas, after the assembly line, was not pumping out enough of these aircraft in Southern California. The very same airplane was known as the SNJ by the Navy and Marine Corps. Now the Commonwealth they called it the Harley after that August learning institution.
Maybe they're broken.
The Australians chose to call their airplane the Whirlwind.
I have to send this to my granddad. I'll have to send this to my granddad.
Yeah.
There are still 500 to 600 flying.
It's probably been 60 years since he saw this many of them take off.
Both in competition and back in the Reno National Championship Air Races. Celebrating our 50th year of racing in Reno this year. The aircraft taking off in front of you is one of the 6 classes of racing and one of the most popular. The SNJ T-6 Harvard class. This airplane, a Scottish company from the East Coast, puts out commercial messages in the sky with a group of these airplanes flying wingtip to wingtip for a major insurance company. And then our friends in South Africa who only retired these aircraft in the 1990s are now in the civilian hands. And they water ski on the tires in formation on open lakes in South Africa. Maybe you have seen it. Maybe you have
come
seen
on.
It. On the internet, they do it a lot. It is fantastic. Now, in addition to the assembly lines that we had here in the U.S. of the aircraft that are continuing to take off in great numbers because of the celebration I told you about, manufactured in the United States, it is said from 1938 to 1944. Now, there is an airplane built by Cessna. And we're going to consider that a bomber because it was made of wood, and they referred to it affectionately as the bamboo bomber. Sky King had one in his civilian
We have a service manual for that for some reason.
3,400 horsepower.
We have a service manual for one of those.
Again, the short exhaust stack, you can close your eyes and know that
they've got a Jacobs 300.
That is the Panchito airplane, flown and restored.
How's that for cool?